Meet the coolest tech job you've never heard of, voice UX designer. These professionals design voice interactions for smart speakers, virtual assistants, and other voice-enabled devices. They create conversation flows, write dialogue, and ensure users have smooth, natural interactions with technology. As voice technology becomes more prevalent in our daily lives, voice UX designers play a crucial role in making these experiences intuitive and enjoyable. If you love both technology and communication, this career path might be perfect for you. Hello and welcome back to the ENTECH Magazine, December 2025 issue. This month brings you amazing stories from science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Get ready to explore incredible stories about natural phenomena, cutting-edge technology, inspiring initiatives, and much more. Lithium-ion batteries power our modern world, from smartphones to electric vehicles. But how are they made? First, raw materials like lithium, cobalt, and graphite are extracted and processed. Then, electrodes are manufactured by coating materials onto metal foils. Next comes cell assembly, where anodes, cathodes, and separators are stacked together. The formation stage involves initial charging cycles to activate the battery. Have you ever seen those magical dancing lights in the sky? Our article explores the fascinating science behind aurora lights. The colors you see depend on which gases are involved. Artificial intelligence is changing our world, and students need to be prepared. Our next feature presents an AI education roadmap specifically designed for students. This comprehensive guide helps young learners understand how to approach AI education step by step. From basic concepts to advanced applications, this roadmap covers everything students. Representation matters in science and technology. The Women in STEM Society at the University of Essex supports and empowers women and non-binary people in science and technology. Founded in 2020, the Society creates a supportive environment through workshops, career events, and networking opportunities. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we organize and process information. Our article examines AI-powered categorization systems and how they enhance problem-solving capabilities. These intelligent systems can automatically classify massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. From email spam filters to medical diagnosis systems, AI categorization is making our lives easier and more efficient. Businesses use these tools to sort customer feedback, analyze market trends, and improve decision-making processes. Ball lightning remains one of science's most intriguing mysteries. This rare phenomenon involves glowing spherical objects that appear during thunderstorms. Witnesses describe seeing luminous balls floating through the air. For centuries, scientists debated whether ball lightning even existed. Today we know it is real, but the exact mechanism behind it remains unclear. Here is a fun fact that might surprise you. The Eiffel Tower actually grows taller in summer. This is not magic but rather a scientific principle called thermal expansion. The iron structure, which stands at 330 meters, can expand by up to 15 centimeters when temperatures rise. When the iron heats up, its atoms vibrate more vigorously, pushing them slightly farther apart. This remarkable example shows how physics affects even the most iconic structures. December's most significant historical science events: the first self-sustaining nuclear chain reaction, the first successful human heart transplant, the first active repeater communication satellite, Apollo 8, the first crewed mission from lunar orbit, first human kidney transplant, Curie announces the isolation of radium, Galileo Galilei observes Neptune as a fixed star. We have an inspiring article on entrepreneurship written by Harsh Agrawal. Harsh has spent 10 years building projects, side ventures, and startups. He talks about starting with simple ideas and improving them, being around smart people, and treating entrepreneurship as a long journey. These lessons are helpful for young builders who want to turn ideas into real results. That's your December 2025 ENTECH Magazine preview, waiting for you at entechonline.com. We have explored entrepreneurship wisdom, natural wonders, cutting-edge AI technology, scientific mysteries, engineering marvels, battery manufacturing, emerging careers, and historical milestones. Remember, all these articles are available in detail at entechonline.com. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future science content. Don't forget to share it with friends who love science. See you next month!